Quick reading for June the 1st to June the 2nd, Aquarius. Your cards are the Ten of Swords, the Eight of Wands, and the King of Wands. Mapapansin natin dito na itong ating person ay medyo mangungulit uli sa atin, lalo na doon sa mga in separation or merong challenges or misunderstanding. It felt like hindi ka papatulugin nito, meron ka pang mga drunk texts, drunk messages na matatanggap dahil itong person na ito is gusto talaga makipag-usap sa atin. With the Four of Wands and the King of Cups, dito nila ibubuhos yung kanilang totoong nararamdaman. It felt like in the surface, yung surface level, parang cold lang si person, wala talaga siyang pinapakitang care sa inyo. Pero deep inside, eto na, lalabas na talaga yung kanyang wound sa separation din ninyo dito sa inyong connection dahil aamin ito na hindi kanya kayang kalimutan at kung pwede lang ay maging kayo ulit. This is your quick reading for June the 1st to June the 2nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.